so now we're on to our coastal wall right here. We're going to do a little retro style shiplap. Explain the process what we're doing here.
They're putting a 1/4 inch space in between each board, and at the butt joints they're going to be putting a 1 degree bevel on it so it all butts up nice and clean.
That's really the key in installing shiplap with this 1x6 is that clean butt right there. And I guess we're going to use some Decker mold at the top.
Yes, sir.
Cap it all off.
Yes, sir.
All right, should look really sharp and give you a nice coastal look. All right, Ray, we're here at our coastal wall where we have a shiplap style of wall. So here it's kind of a retro look by using 1x6s. Can you explain installing this and also what you did for the gaps to make sure they're uniform?
Well, they started at the bottom with the 1x6 and they come up and they had made a 1/4 inch spacer. And they took 2 or 3/4 inch spacers and placed them in there, and as they went, and they made sure the distance was complete. And as they walked up the wall with the boards, they went ahead and did that same space to the top.
That's great. Having that consistency is a key. And this retro look here, I like a lot. So it turned out really well.